Hello everyone, welcome to Team Level's channel, and in this short video I will show you how to fix Valorant High ping issue. So before starting video, if you are new in this channel then hit subscribe button and let's start our video without wasting any time. So to fix high ping issue, first of all go to Google Chrome and download this same file. After that follow every step as I am showing you in this video. So now after doing all this, just restart your PC and hope so your high ping issue is fixed. That's all for this video, and if you like this video then hit like button and also don't forget to subscribe.